What an incredible day on the water. Cruising through the Spanish waters was absolutely magical. The boat was beautiful, our captain was fantastic, and the whole experience felt relaxed, fun and perfectly organized. From swimming in crystal clear spots to soaking up the sun and enjoying the views, every moment was amazing. Would 100% do it again and recommend it to anyone looking for a truly special experience on the water in Curaçao. Best 2-hour on the water tour in Curaçao. Drinks, snacks were provided. Bring towels and snorkel and mask if you have it with you. Some may be provided. We didn't need them, so I'm not sure. You will ride by beautiful homes, the Curaçao Yacht Club, the Santa Barbara Golf Course, Sandals Resort. We had a private tour for 2 with Herbert. 7 people had rescheduled the tour, so all the attention went to us. He told us a lot and we were allowed to ask anything. A great tour of the Spanish waters. Highly recommended. Thanks on behalf of Andre and Sylvia. Due to a group cancellation, we had a boat trip all to ourselves. A beautiful and enjoyable boat trip across the Spanish water. We received interesting information about what there is to see and even got a few tips about Curaçao. Highly recommended. It was an amazing, informative ride. The time was just enough and the captain was fun. I think any longer than 2 hours I'd go mad. It was just enough time and the views were amazing. Had a super day. We were with 2 families. The boat is ideal with small children because of the deep cockpit and lots of shade. Nice captain. Highly recommended. The boat was fun and Herbert was the best captain. We had so much fun and the tour was super. We had a good and fun swim in our stop at Sandals Resort. Red Sniper was super fun. The guide was amazing. I would recommend this trip to everyone. It is one of the most beautiful places here on Curaçao. Great boat trip. Nice experience, totally recommended. The captain was very friendly, the trip was calm and safe. Would add more music. Wonderful boat trip. Beautiful tour and good explanation. Fun to do. Gives a good impression of the surroundings. Recommended for everyone. Great boat trip with friends and family. Very nice captain who took his time to show us all the sights and made sure we had a good time. Herbert was an excellent guide. We enjoyed the view of the Spanish water and the sunset. Dinner was delicious. Highly recommend. It was a beautiful sightseeing journey on the beautiful water for Curaçao.